All right, 10 seconds to go. We just have to hold on, okay? Hold on. We won't lose. Worst case, just draw. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. 2 seconds. 1 second. Go. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We are Geelong. We are Geelong. We head home. Open the fire high. Geelong Park. Come on. Oh, what a game. That's the champion does. What a cracker game. All right, we'll take a break. I'm gonna open. Open how many packs? Okay, you put on we're gonna open 2 pack at least. Come on. Oh, my heart is boiling. Oh, holy crap.
We got Geelong.
What a game. What a too
We got
tight.
Geelong.
No, we need a something great to separate. Oh, come on. Okay, you put the milk on, please.
Ellie and
Yep, that's
Bolton.
okay. Yep.
Shui.
Yep.
With sauce.
Oh, with us.
Martin.
Oh, Dusty.
Smith. And
Okay. Whoa! That's all right. Not too bad. My turn. Can you hold this? Ho ho! What a game! What a game! Anyway, we well deserve it. Okay, hold on. My goodness, my hand is still shaking. Holy crap! Give us a tough square. It's the best and fairest I can see somehow. All right, Bristers and 1. Okay, and.
Mascot and
Oh, the best is a silver.
it's a normal one.
It's
That's
a
1 in
normal,
9.
not in gold one, isn't it?
1 in 9.
Not too bad. What do we say?
Bro, look at all the look
Oh.
at all the Collingwood fans leaving. Look at them all leaving because they lost.
No, that's fine. I think it's what a cracking game. I think it's good credit to the Vampires. They play very well. And definitely, what a game! My goodness, my heart's still racing high. Oh. Anyway, all right. We're going to the premium now. Oh, it's a 91,525 fans in the MCG.
Our Collingwood fans
What a
went into
game!
the camp.
What a feeler! Oh.
He's going back.
Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Go Cats!